What's the meaning of backhoe? Backhoe. Backhoe.
Backhoe. Backhoe. A backhoe is a type of heavy equipment that consists of a tractor with a digging bucket on the back and a loader bucket on the front. Its primary function is to excavate and move large amounts of soil, sand, gravel, and other materials with ease. The digging bucket is attached to the back of the tractor and is used for digging holes, trenches, and foundations. The loader bucket is attached to the front and is used for moving or loading the excavated material. Backhoes are widely used in construction, agriculture, landscaping, and other industries. They are versatile machines that can perform a wide range of tasks, making them essential equipment on many job sites.